Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Ford F150 tailgate handle. First, gather all your necessary tools, such as a screwdriver set, a socket wrench, and a trim removal tool. Make sure you have the correct replacement handle assembly for your specific truck model. Working in a well-lit and safe area will make the process much smoother and prevent any accidental damage. Next, open your tailgate and carefully remove the inner access panel, usually held by screws or clips. Once exposed, you will see the handle mechanism. Disconnect any rods or cables attached to the handle and unplug any electrical connectors for features like the backup camera or power lock. Finally, unbolt the old handle assembly from the tailgate. Now, take your new handle assembly and carefully position it into the opening. Secure it firmly using the bolts and screws you removed earlier, ensuring a snug fit. Reconnect all the rods and cables to their proper attachment points on the new handle. Don't forget to plug in any electrical connectors, making sure they click securely into place. Before you finish, thoroughly test the new handle. Open and close the tailgate several times to ensure it latches and unlatches smoothly. If your handle has a lock, test that function as well. Once you confirm everything is working correctly, carefully reinstall the inner tailgate access panel, securing it with its original screws or clips. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.